What if Earth collided with another planet? The final moment you never see coming. What if one quiet morning, the sky betrayed us? What if, just beyond the fading moonlight, a massive dark sphere appeared, the size of a world, drifting silently toward Earth? No sound, no warning, only the growing realization that something impossibly large was approaching, and fast. And then astronomers confirm the unthinkable. It's not a meteor, not an asteroid, not a passing cosmic traveler. It's a planet, a rogue world wandering the galaxy for billions of years, now aimed directly at us. This is the scientifically accurate sequence of events that would unfold if Earth collided with another planet. A story of terror, destruction, and rebirth. The discovery. Day -365. 1 year before impact, humans begin to notice strange disturbances. GPS signals start drifting. Satellites move in unpredictable ways. Coastal tides rise slightly higher than usual. Astronomers investigate and discover an anomaly. A massive object is bending the fabric of space around our solar system. At first, they think it's a brown dwarf, then a dwarf planet. But with more data, the truth becomes unavoidable. A Mars-sized planet is heading straight toward Earth. This is not a theory. Rogue planets are real. Millions of them drift through our galaxy, ejected from their original solar systems by gravitational chaos, and one of them finally found us. Governments try to hide the information, but secrets this big don't stay hidden for long. Whispers turn into headlines. Headlines turn into global panic. Humans are good at building rockets, weapons, cities, but preparing for another planet, we've never been tested like this. Earth's final year, day -365 to day -180. This is humanity's last full year, and it begins with denial. World leaders assure people everything is under control. They form a global task force. Scientists start planning desperate missions. Should we try to push the rogue planet off course? Should we build underground cities? Should we attempt a mass evacuation to Mars? None of it is realistic. Even detonating every nuclear weapon humanity has, more than 13,000 bombs, wouldn't change the trajectory of a planet. The frightening truth settles in. There is no saving Earth. People react differently. Some ignore the news. Some prepare shelters. Some turn to religion. Some turn against each other. Civilization begins breaking slowly. But above us, the rogue planet keeps coming. The first visual appearance, day -180 to day -90. 6 months before impact, the rogue planet finally appears in the sky. At first, it looks like a faint red star, just a tiny dot. But astronomers calculate its speed, tens of thousands of miles per hour. Within weeks, it grows larger. Its color becomes clearer, rusty red with massive fractures and scars from ancient collisions. Animals sense disaster long before we do. Migrating birds fly in strange patterns. Dogs howl at night. Fish move toward deeper ocean trenches. Bees vanish. Nature knows what humans refuse to accept. Earth is already under attack by gravity. The gravitational war begins, day -90 to day -30. In the last 3 months, Earth enters a chaotic gravitational dance with the incoming planet, and the planet fights back. Tides rise to unimaginable heights. Beaches vanish permanently. Coastal cities like New York, Mumbai, Karachi, Shanghai all experience flooding even without rain. Entire ports are swallowed. Earthquakes strike everywhere. Regions that have never experienced seismic activity suddenly shake violently. Europe, the Middle East, Africa, buildings crack, roads split, volcanoes awaken. Dormant volcanoes, silent for thousands of years, erupt violently. Ash clouds blanket the atmosphere, lowering global temperatures. Weather becomes alien. Hurricanes twice the size of countries form weekly. Windstorms tear through entire regions. Lightning storms rage for days without pause. People begin to realize something horrifying. The collision hasn't happened yet, but Earth has already started dying. Civilization collapses, day -30 to day -7. 30 days before impact, humanity loses itself. Electric grids fail worldwide. Solar flares from magnetic disturbances fry satellites. The internet collapses. Global communication breaks. Governments declare martial law. But who listens now? Stores are empty. Roads are abandoned. Economies cease to exist. The sky is always red, a constant reminder of the incoming death. Every night, the rogue planet looms larger than the moon. Its cracks glow faintly. Its surface is scarred by billions of years of cosmic violence. Humanity gathers in groups, some for comfort, some for worship, some for violence. It is the darkest month in human history. The final week, day -7 to day -1. In the last 7 days, the rogue planet dominates the sky. Its gravitational pull becomes monstrous. Oceans rise into walls of water. Entire coastlines vanish overnight. Cities are swallowed whole. Tsunamis smash into continents at 800 kilometers per hour. Earth's crust begins shifting. Large sections rise, others sink. New mountains form, old ones crumble. Air becomes unstable. Winds reach 1,800 kilometers per hour. Air pressure becomes uneven. People struggle to breathe at higher altitudes. The magnetic field collapses. Auroras cover the entire planet. Radiation levels increase. Atmospheric electricity becomes deadly. This is the moment when humanity truly understands the planet beneath our feet is no longer stable. Earth is literally being torn apart. The final 24 hours. One day before the collision, gravity begins stretching Earth like soft clay. Skyscrapers tilt, bridges twist, mountains vibrate. The oceans no longer behave like water. They move like living beasts, rising, falling, smashing everything in their path. The sound of the planet groaning echoes everywhere. Deep booms, metallic roars, the grinding of tectonic plates ripping apart. Most of humanity is already gone. The rest gather in silence, staring at the sky. The rogue planet fills half the horizon. Its canyons, its mountains, its glowing cracks, all visible with the naked eye. The final hour is the quietest. Perhaps humans finally accept their fate. And then it happens. Step 1. Atmosphere ignites. As the planet's atmospheres collide, friction generates heat hotter than the sun's surface. The sky turns white, clouds vaporize instantly. Step 2. The crust explodes. When the rogue planet touches Earth's surface, the energy released is equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs. Land becomes plasma. Oceans turn to steam. Entire continents evaporate in seconds. Step 3. Shockwaves destroy the core. Shockwaves travel through Earth's mantle, ripping it apart. The core destabilizes. The magnetic field collapses completely. Step 4. A debris ring forms. Earth and the rogue planet crush each other, exploding into space debris. Rings of molten rock begin orbiting the shattered remains. Humanity is gone in less than 90 seconds. Earth is gone in minutes. But something new is beginning. 1 hour after impact, Earth no longer exists as we know it. What remains is a molten sphere, a ring of vaporized rock, pools of metallic lava, a glowing debris disk. Temperatures reach thousands of degrees. The sky is filled with vaporized iron, silicon, carbon, the raw ingredients of new planets. This is exactly what happened during the giant impact that formed the moon. We are witnessing the birth of a new world, 1 year after impact. Slowly, the molten surface cools. New crust forms. A new atmosphere begins to settle from the gases released during the collision. The debris ring gradually gathers into a new moon, perhaps bigger than the old one, perhaps smaller. Earth will never be the same, but it exists again. A blank canvas, waiting. Millions of years later, life may return, but it won't look like anything we know. The collision reset the planet entirely. New oceans form, new continents rise, new chemistry shapes evolution. Maybe single-celled life begins again. Maybe something stranger. Maybe Earth becomes a barren world forever. But one thing is certain, humanity will be nothing but dust in the new soil. The final question. So, what would happen if Earth collided with another planet? Humanity would vanish. Civilization would collapse. Our world would be destroyed. But a new one would rise from the ashes. Because in the universe, endings and beginnings are the same event. If you want more mind-bending what-if scenarios, make sure you like the video, subscribe to Untold What If, comment the next scenario you want us to explore. The universe is filled with terrifying possibilities, and this is only the beginning.